Like, subscribe and get notified.
A large number of supporters and activists gathered at the Old Goa police station for the second day, where our President Amit Palekar was summoned again, with regard to the Sulaiman Khan video. Palekar said it was routine questioning, but more importantly the second video, which he said was released when in police custody, needs to be probed. CM said not to believe the first video so people know how much credibility needs to be given to the second video, he said. Dirty politics has hit the lowest level, Palekar alleged.
The timing is coinciding with my entry to the police station. The timing is coinciding with the statement by Honorable Chief Minister Mulle. That time coincide and which is made to be which is released at the time when police and Chief Minister is also claiming ki to custody नाशिल्लो. जेन्ना तो क्राइम ब्रांचाच्या कस्टडीन आशिल्लो जाल्यार त्या टायमारूच तो व्हिडिओ आउट जावो आनी कोइन्सिडेंटली पर्टिक्युलरली टू इन अ सर्टन सोर्सेस इट इज व्हेरी डाउटफुल. सो आय थिंक इट्स व्हेरी क्लियर की त्या व्हिडिओन कितलें तथ्य आसा ना ते लोकांनी ठरोवपाचें. I think any normal human will know that second video was tutored, doctored, forced video. Maybe त्या एक्युजाक ल्युअर करून तो केला आसा, ताका कितें फॅसिलिटीज दिता म्हणून दिला आसा, ताका बेल मेळपाक दिला प्रॉमिस करून तो दिला आसा. बट वॉट एवर मे बी द रिजन, त्या व्हिडिओंतल्यान खूब गजाली दिसून येता की सरकाराक खंय तरी भंय दिसपाक लागला की आपली इमेज घाण जाल्यार ती लीप करपाक जाय म्हणून तो व्हिडिओ ताजे कडल्यान काडून घेतला. तातूंत म्हाका खुबशे तथ्य दिसता की राजकारणाची जी पातळी आसा आनी राजकीय हेवेदावे सेटल करपाची जी पातळी आसा आनी राजकीय स्वार्थाची जी पातळी आसा आनी राजकीय सुडाची जी 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 पातळी आसा ती एकदम सामकी सकयल्या लेवलाक पावल्या. आनी म्हाका दिसता इतलें घाण राजकारण आमी हाजे पयलीं केन्नाय पळोवनाशिल्लें. हांवूय राजकारणांत 35 इयर्स जालीं आसा.
Watch on Herald TV.